Can you believe it? Just one slice of watermelon a day can help your skin look brighter, smoother, and more hydrated all within a week. Today, I'll be sharing a natural skincare secret using watermelon, a favorite among many Japanese women who say it helps their skin look radiant and youthful even in their 70s. Stay with me until the end of this video to discover 5 amazing watermelon mask recipes that help refresh, smooth, and rejuvenate your skin naturally. First, prepare the main ingredient, fresh watermelon. Choose a ripe one with bright red flesh and a naturally sweet aroma. Then remove the green rind and place the fruit into a juicer or blender to extract the juice. This juice is the golden base of today's recipe. It's made up of over 90% water and packed with vitamins A and C, along with the antioxidant lycopene, which helps deeply hydrate the skin, soothe sun exposure, and revive dry or dull skin that often comes with age. In just a few minutes, you'll have a glass of fresh, lightly sweet, and pleasantly fragrant watermelon juice, the perfect foundation for natural skincare and wellness recipes. Watermelon doesn't just help your skin, its light fragrance and cool, refreshing touch also bring a sense of calm and relaxation, helping you unwind and restore your energy after a long day. Be sure to make a little extra juice because at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a special way to use it as a gentle body cleanse that helps refresh the liver and maintain a naturally radiant complexion every day. Don't miss that part. It's a 2-in-1 secret for both beautiful skin and better overall well-being. Once you've prepared the watermelon juice, let's begin with the first recipe. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice with 1 teaspoon of rice flour and mix until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Rice flour provides gentle exfoliation, helping to brighten and even out the skin tone, while watermelon juice adds hydration, soothes the skin, and minimizes the appearance of pores, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and naturally glowing. Apply the mixture evenly to the areas you want to exfoliate and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients absorb. Then rinse with warm water, followed by a splash of cool water to help tighten pores and give the skin a firmer, refreshed look. Use this mask 2-3 times a week and you'll notice your skin feeling brighter, softer, and naturally refreshed, as if it just woke up from a deep, rejuvenating rest. Next, let's move on to a firming and lifting mask, simple yet noticeably effective. Mix 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice with 1 egg white and whisk until the texture becomes smooth and slightly foamy. Egg white is rich in natural proteins that help firm the skin, enhance elasticity, and minimize the appearance of fine lines, leaving the skin looking smoother and more toned. We'll be using the egg yolk in just a moment, so don't go anywhere. I'll show you why it's such a wonderful natural ingredient for nourishing, softening, and restoring your skin's natural glow. Do you ever use watermelon in your skincare routine? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience might inspire others to try it too. Apply the mixture evenly over your face and neck, Let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. You'll feel your skin become hydrated, soft, and more elastic, with pores appearing tighter and the surface smoother and cooler to the touch, leaving a wonderfully fresh and revitalized feeling. Now let's move on to the third recipe, a natural hydrating and brightening mask. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice with 1 teaspoon of pure cocoa powder. And stir until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and zinc, which help deeply nourish the skin, revive tired complexions, and reduce dullness. Apply the mixture evenly over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. When cocoa is combined with watermelon full of vitamins A and C, the blend helps hydrate, brighten, and soften the skin, leaving it looking radiant, smooth, and naturally refreshed day after day. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and naturally dewy. Next, let's make a gentle exfoliating mask especially suitable for sensitive skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice with 1 teaspoon of almond powder until it forms a smooth, creamy paste. Almond powder is rich in vitamin E and natural oils that help soften, repair, and protect the skin's outer layer, while watermelon juice hydrates and adds essential minerals to keep your skin feeling fresh, supple, and balanced. When applying the mask, gently massage your face in small circular motions to help remove dead skin cells without irritation. Leave the mixture on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water, followed by a splash of cool water to help tighten the pores. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming softer, brighter, and naturally radiant. Now, let's move on to the final recipe, a deep hydrating and skin-firming mask that helps restore elasticity and a youthful glow. Mix 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice with 1 egg yolk and stir until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. Egg yolk is rich in fatty acids, proteins, and vitamin A, which help nourish, soften, and rejuvenate the skin from within. Apply the mixture evenly over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse gently with warm water. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Leave a quick hello in the comments. I'd love to know where my viewers are tuning in from around the world. This mask helps restore moisture, improve elasticity, and leave your skin plump and naturally radiant. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to keep your skin soft, firm, and glowing, just like in your 30s. And let's finish with a refreshing glass of watermelon juice, the perfect treat for your body after a skincare routine. This drink helps hydrate, replenish vitamins A and C, and deliver lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy glow, smooth texture, and radiant energy from within. It's a wonderful way to practice beauty inside and out, a simple daily ritual to keep your skin and body in harmony. Remember, skincare isn't just about looking beautiful, it's about loving yourself every single day. Be patient, listen to your body, and nurture a positive spirit because true youthfulness always begins from within. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.